is verb? A verb is a word express an action, occurrence, or state of being. It's fundamental part of language helping us convey what someone or something is doing, has done, or will do. Use of verb. Action, verb convey physical or mental action. State, verb describe state of being. Linking, verb connect subject to additional information. Having, auxiliary verb assist main verb. Example of verb in sentence. Here are some examples of verb in sentences. Number 1. She writes stories. The verb writes show the action of creating stories. Number 2. He is happy. The verb is link the subject to a state of being. Number 3. They will run tomorrow. The verb will run shows future action. Thank you for watching.